Okay, we took the holding tank out. We cut in with, the multi-tool gently, even though we knew that there was foam behind it. It was surprisingly stuck in there, so it took a little bit of elbow grease to get it out. But that's really all we did. A little bit at a time, and then yank the rest of it out. It's in the trash. And now we have about, I don't know, what, 4 inches?
Quite a bit of foam.
Yeah, a foam.
I'm gonna hog that out. The holding tank was less disgusting than we thought. We think the boat already smells less. We don't know.
Yeah.
What if this was like never meant to be taken out? And it was like the forward crush compartment of the boat if you hit something. This is what would save us and keep us floating.
Stop.
What? It's possible, Katja.
Now. I mean, yeah, now that you are thinning out the hole.
We're gonna put this on YouTube. And like every comment's gonna be like, no!
I know. What have you done?
Your boat's gonna sink.
You're joking, right?
Am I?
I don't know.
I feel like I'm gonna be like Tim and touch your hair. It's a foam bucket. My 30 years of boating, I've never done this. In your 6 months, we're like on the same experience level.
What's this?
Yeah, there's just a little foam stuck on it.
Okay.
Be so nervous about our hull getting damaged.
Well, considering you're freely just shoving.
It's funny how we have such different concerns. Like me and Bill's pumps. And you put the structure of the hull. It's fine.
I understand now why you want all those build pumps.
That's progress. We're like, that's a big chunk already done and clean. All right, so here's our Ogo head, and then we need to raise it up a little bit to fit the contour of our hull. So this is a piece of PVC from Home Depot. I traced that, and then we're gonna router it right to it. And then here's another piece. We're gonna make it 2-layer stick.
I'm going to tell everybody that it's not perfectly aligned.
I know, you will. Here's our Ogo composting toilet. It's upside down. We needed a little bit of height on the base here to clear the contour of our hull. So this is one piece of 3/4 inch PVC. It's mounted to the bottom and routed on. Here's the second piece. We're gonna route that right now. Now they're gonna see in the camera where it's not lined up perfect. We have that extra height, Home Depot PVC. Keep these two screwed together, take it off here, sand it up a little bit, contour it to the hull, and be able to mount the composting head. So that's our vent hose. It's composting toilets, they need a vent hose. It's gonna come through here, here, and then we have a Duray vent right here. We're gonna put a 90 on here, make a little block of wood for this to go into. And then if we're just kind of day sailing and we have the composting head cleaned out, we don't need the ventilation for it, we'll make it so we can pop this off here, maybe tuck it back down here out of the way, and it'll just be more airflow for the boat. Did that go through?
Yeah.
Okay.
Seemed a bit harder.
I know. Hope it's okay.
It's not the bottom of our boat, is it?
It should be okay.
Alright.
Might just be thicker because it's in the corner. It's near that edge. But it comes in flat, so it should be good.
Okay.
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 Not leaking yet. Okay, we're ready to screw down the Ogo composting head here. So there's 3 holes that we're going to use, 3 mounting holes. So these 2 in the front and this one in the back corner. There's also a 4th one over here, but with the shape of our hull, how it comes down, we can't put that one in or it would go through the bottom of the boat. So we have these 2 forward ones and that one, and that should hold the head in place. But you have a cordless drill. How do you use it?
I just twist it and then it comes undone. And I don't know if the DeWalt has a special trick. No, it's probably just like you're over tightening.
Man hands.
Man hands.
So right now we're over drilling the PVC.
Got it out, mister.
So these were the mounting screws that came with the head, but since we blocked it up with that PVC, we had to get some longer ones. Let me see what it is.
It's a bucket. This is a poop bucket. It's going to be filled with, I forget.
Peat moss.
Peat moss. And here's a churner. The mixer upper.
Smoothie maker. So so you should be able to put it down in here that way. And that seems to lock in just like a blender.
Yep. Okay, I think it's locked in. Poo bucket is in.
Pee bucket? So the whole thing goes in. Hang on.
Oh, no, this way. Okay. So it just sits there like that, and then it can easily slide out.
Well, it latches. You have
Oh,
these
that's
locks
right,
on
we
the
have
side.
the latch. I forgot about the latches.
How does it feel? Hop on it.
So much better than a Lowe's bucket.
Need a footrest.
Footrest, something to read. The vent hose is going to be attached to the back of the composting head, kind of like right below where the cable is, where you can see the cable coming out. There's a little hose attachment right here that swivels around, but it's right there where my finger is. It goes into this hole right here. Comes up through the hole in here. You kind of have to find a way maybe to secure it, but we might not even need it. And then we're going to attach an elbow and some sort of bracket that we can easily attach and detach this. And then when nobody is using it or when we're just day sailing, we'll just take it down, feed it back in. It's out of the way. My poop doesn't smell, so we don't need to vent. Take that out.
No. So we have a little fan to hook up. We'll get that next time. Oh yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Cool.
Yeah. Okay, so that fits right in
The
there.
fan slips right in there. This runs on 12 volt. So there's a little power cord. Connects right into there. And then that'll just connect to our battery. This draws super low electric. I forget what the stats said, but it was like pretty much next to nothing to run that. And then when you poop, you push the button on the side here. You push that button, and then it turns the poop motor grinder thingy, and it mixes the poop for, I don't know, however long it's supposed to mix it. And then the fan, the purpose of the fan is to just draw air through and I guess evaporate the poop. Make it into composted dry powder.